Formation and utilization of ketone bodies and ketoacidosis. Let's start with ketone bodies. Ketone bodies, or simply ketone, are substances produced by the liver during gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis is a process that creates glucose in time of fasting and starvation. There are three ketone bodies produced by the liver: acetoacetate, beta-hydroxybutyrate, and acetone. These compounds are useful in healthy individuals to provide energy to the cell of the body when glucose is low or absent in the diet. Next, ketogenesis. Our body normally derive energy from stored carbohydrate by the process of glycogenolysis, conversion of glycogen into glucose, or from non-carbohydrate sources such as lactate by the process of gluconeogenesis. It occurs continuously in a healthy individual but under certain conditions, when there is increased concentration of fatty acid or carbohydrate reserve are decreased. Ketogenesis happens at a higher rate, like under low blood glucose level, example during fasting or starvation, when there is insufficient insulin, example type 1 diabetes, on exhaustion of carbohydrate reserve like glycogen. Insufficient gluconeogenesis result in hypoglycemia and excessive production of ketone bodies, resulting in a fatal condition called ketoacidosis. Next, ketogenesis process. This process occurs primarily in the mitochondria of liver cell. The step involved in the process of ketogenesis are acetoacetyl-CoA formation, 3-hydroxy-3-methyl-glutaralkyl-CoA synthesis, acetoacetate formation, and in last step, acetoacetate form remaining ketone bodies like acetone by decarboxylation and 3-hydroxybutyrate by reduction process. This is a synthetic pathway of ketone bodies like acetoacetate, beta-hydroxybutyrate, and acetone, and it is also known as ketogenesis. Two molecules of acetyl-CoA react in the presence of thiolase enzyme and form acetoacetyl-CoA. Then acetoacetyl-CoA react with one molecule of acetyl-CoA and give 3-hydroxy-3-methyl-glutaralkyl-CoA, which is also known as HMG-CoA, and this reaction is catalyzed by HMG-CoA synthase enzyme. Then 3-hydroxy-3-methyl-glutaralkyl-CoA is broken down in the presence of HMG-CoA lyase enzyme and give acetoacetate and acetyl-CoA. Finally, acetoacetate reduced into alpha-beta-hydroxybutyrate and acetone in the presence of beta-hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase enzyme. Next, significance of ketogenesis. It is used to get energy by brain, heart, and skeletal muscle under fasting condition. The ketogenic diet, like low carbohydrate, fat-rich diet, is used these days to lose weight. In ketoacidosis condition, the kidney excrete extra ketone bodies with the water, resulting in fluid loss. Next, ketoacidosis. Both acetoacetate and beta-hydroxybutyrate are strong acid. Increase in their concentration in blood would cause acidosis. The carboxyl group present in ketone bodies has a pK around 4. The ketone bodies in the blood dissociate and release H plus ion, which lower the pH. The volume of plasma in the body is reduced due to dehydration caused by the excretion of glucose and ketone bodies. Diabetic ketoacidosis is dangerous. It may result in coma and even death if not treated. Next, treatment of ketoacidosis. Administration of insulin is necessary to stimulate uptake of glucose by tissues and inhibition of ketogenesis.